Hi everyone. Today we will see how to do open item clearing for GRIR account. Okay, so let us go to FBL3N transaction code to see the line item for the GRIR account. So this is the GRIR account, and if you see open item at key date as on today's date, so if you see we have couple of open items there. So there are 4 line items, but the total balance, if you see, it is 0. So that means 1000 here it is credit, here it is debit, so it is nullified, and here it is 5000 credit and 5000 debit, so nullified. So just let me explain you how these transactions are posted in this GRIR account. So take an example of first 2 line items. So first document 5 all zeros was posted when we are posting a goods receipt document through transaction code MIGO. System is using document type WE. Okay, so in this accounting entry will be your stock account debit and GRIR account credit. So that's why we have 1000 credit amount here. Okay, and then in the next step, when we do the invoice receipt, so we post the MIRO invoice through transaction code MIRO. Okay, logistic invoice verification we do. So their system is using document type RE. Okay, and this time accounting entry will be your GRIR account debit and vendor account credit. Right, so same thing is going to happen in the another 2 transaction codes. Okay, it is the same only. So now the problem is that this document is posted successfully, no issues, but these items are still open items. So when you see the line item display for GRIR account for your company code, you will see that even though balance is 0, but all items are still open. That means we need to clear these items as part of month-end activity or as part of year-end activity. Okay, so we need to clear these open items. So to do that clearing, we are going to use another T code. It's called F.13, F.13. Okay, so give your company code, fiscal year. Basically, this transaction code can be utilized for any kind of open item clearing. It can be used for customers, it can be used for suppliers. So yeah, we can use for customers, we can use for suppliers, and we can also use for the GL account. So we are going to use this for GL account, and this time we are going to use for GRIR clearing GL account. Okay, then you need to select the key date. Basically this would be your month-end date. So but for example, we are trying since we have open items on in the current month only, right? So just for the demonstration purpose, I'm using the current date only as the clearing date, and select test run first of all, and then execute this thing. So what you see here in this output screen is that system has clubbed all the 4 documents into 2 documents basically, right? If you can see, this is one box, this is the second box. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the one document system is identified to be posted as clearing document. Okay, and this is the second document system has identified. All right, so what it is system is doing here, system is saying that this amount and this amount is matching, so yes, I can clear it, and this amount and this amount matching, right? One side is debit, one side is credit, so it is getting nullified, and you can see the balance is 0. So but based on what system is matching this, so you can see there are criteria. First criteria is assignment, second is business area, third is trading partner. So as of now, as per the current configuration settings, we have assignment fields. So you can see the assignment is matching, and assignment is what? 1st January 2024, right? For all these 2 documents we have same assignment value, right? Assignment value. So that's why system is matched this one. And for this another two, there is also the same assignment value. This is 5th January 2024, same thing. So that's why system has identified that these items are matching with debit and credit sides, and so it can be cleared off. Alright, yeah, further in the next video we will see the configuration setting for this transaction code to work properly. Actually there is some different kind of criteria we need for the GRIR clearing. Okay, some 2 to 3 more criteria we will have specifically for GRIR clearing, but for this demo purpose it is fine. We just want to see the functionality, how system makes automatic clearing. So just understand that this time system is considering assignment field to make the clearing. In the next video we will see some other criteria instead of the assignment. Right now we have business area, trading partner, they are not used. Similarly we will have few more criteria, so based on that we can make the perfect matching basically for the GRIR open items. Okay, so here you can see no customer document selected because we have not selected the checkbox. We just want to do clearing for GL accounts. Same thing, there's no supplier selected. Okay, and you can see the error log. So no error were logged during the clearing of the test run. Alright, so now let's go back and we just need to deselect this test run. Okay, and execute. So just ignore this warning message, press enter. Okay, come down. So okay, it is executed successfully, but we got some error. See, it is saying that number range 1 is missing for the fiscal year 2024. So basically we need to maintain the number range. So let us go to FBN1, company code V001, and if you see the number range is not there for 2024. Okay, so I'm going to maintain number range plus 01 2024. This number range we have maintained. Save this and close, and now we are going to try this once again. The same thing, nothing to be changed here in this screen, just we need to execute and press enter. And now you can see system has posted the document. Basically system should have posted 2 documents, but in this screen it will show only the first document. Okay, so now we can see 10001 is posted, but I believe there should be one more, 10002 also. We will see that. Alright, so no error during clearing, so it is done. And now let us go back the line item display and we will see here. So I'm going to refresh and we can see that there is no open item anymore. Alright, so now let me select all items and I will execute. So we can see here you can see that 2 documents are posted, right? One is 100 all zeros. Okay, let me do this sorting based on the date. Okay, so these are the documents posted just now on 6th of January. Right, so you can see document with all zeros, 1 all zeros, and document 1 all zeros 1. Okay, so yeah, in the here we show the document that was the last one basically, not the first one. Yeah, that was the last one. So if you have multiple documents in that F.13, if system posts a multiple document is the clearing documents. So system will display the last posted document on the screen, not all the documents. Okay, so now if you see, just open this document 1000 or 10,000 and you can see what is happening here. Same GL account is being used with debit credit side amount. Okay, so that's why this is a clearing GL account. If you go to header, what is happening is that system is using this T code FB1S in the backend to clear the line items. And you can see header text. This is the default one given by system. So this is the clearing program SAP F.13. Okay, this is the program runs in the backend, which is attached to 1.13 T code or this transaction code FB1S. And system is taking document type SU intercompany clearing. This description is wrong. Basically it can be anything. GL account you can assign anything. There is another transaction code wherein we can assign the default document type. So you can use SA as well, SA document type. That's not an issue. Okay, so similarly same document is posted this one. This will also look the same thing only, right? So this is how we do the automatic clearing for GRIR account. This is one of the month-end activity we used to do. Yeah, so in the next video I will demonstrate what is the basic configuration we should do so that this program runs perfectly for the GRIR open item clearing. Alright, thank you so much. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.